Another surprising, I guess, Apple-related story, these Beats headphones that hit me out of left field today. Apparently, we got them over here. Probably take a peek sometime soon. They put out these $150 studio buds. These are the ones that LeBron was wearing the other day. And we were trying to figure out if they could have been an indication for like some next-gen AirPods that actually hit Beats first. But it's, my goodness, it's actually the complete opposite direction. And it's clear to me now how Apple will continue the Beats brand moving into the future as a budget offering, as a more affordable product and a more Android-centric product. How crazy is this? You have no specialized Apple chip inside of here. And you have some enhancements to how it interacts with over Bluetooth with Android devices, including quick pairing to your variety of Google-related products or Google-related software. And they've done some software tricks to make it pair on iOS sort of like the AirPods do, but lacking the sophistication, lacking the entire, what was it? What do they call it? Is it a W chip or the
H1?
H1. I think, was it called W before that?
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. So, and then price as well. So $150 would make this the cheapest pair of AirPods, or is it the same price as I can't even remember. I feel like regular AirPods are $159. But I have I have Canadian prices and American prices in my head. But that seems like a key. I meant the Apple AirPods, just regular AirPods, I think are $159. And then, yeah, they're $159 regular price, though they do go on sale fairly frequently.
Is that, I think that's US.
Oh, that's, ooh, you're definitely going to Canada now.
I know.
Yeah. Regions. Trapped in the regions. Yeah, $159. So this,
it is.
So this product actually goes under the regular AirPods, which are not an in-ear design. No interchangeable ear tips, no colors to choose from, but
free engraving though.
Super tight integration. Oh, this is what I want to mention. The reason you want that integration, if you're on iOS, you get all these fancy features switching between devices, quickly switching between your laptop, or that's not going to have any of that on the Beats side. So I think this is crazy to say, but I think it's actually an Android targeted headset, or at least a universal targeted headset. They're just like less expensive to compete with the likes of the expanding marketplace of just general wireless earbuds. And the Beats branding gives it a couple of extra style points, I suppose, for some users. It has active noise canceling. It has some water and sweat resistance. Of course, the other universal choice is USB-C for charging, right?
Yeah, that's awesome.
No lightning or anything like that. So a really interesting play for Apple, and the first actually in the shift, because the previous Beats product did have the Apple-specific chip and the Apple-specific features. So to me, this is an indication that they're going to take the Beats brand a different direction. Say, if you're fully Apple all the way, get the Apple products. If you're anybody else in this vast ocean of wireless earbuds, get the Beats ones. I don't know. There's some speculation in there. June 24th is going to be available, $149.99. I'm sure LeBron's going to wear them for a while. They'll promote them. You can get them in white, red, or black. And they have no little stem on them. They actually have like a pretty kind of nice minimal design. So I'm curious to test the fit and see how it all feels.